Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm here again to do what I love doing. Here with me is my Microsoft Word Windows 10 operating system and the inbuilt Microsoft Word. Many people sometimes, do find it challenging when it comes to formatting a table in Microsoft Word. So today I will show you different issues and how to tackle them. So let's get into the video. Here you can see I have a table, but when you look at this, some part of it are missing when you look at the quantity part. And so how do we solve this? You might try to click here and drag it, but sometimes it doesn't fit in properly. The easy way to do it is to highlight, or you can click in the table or click here, then go to layout. Here you go for auto fit window. You can see good. So what can we do here again? We can click and go for auto content to make it look better. Auto fit content. You can see it looks better. So when we come here, you can see that we have a lot of text here, but here we have just one. It doesn't look good. This shouldn't take that much space, and this one as well, and this one as well. So what we can do is to click here again. We can go for auto fit window and again go for auto fit contents. You can see it looks better. So here, when you have a look here, you can see that they are not, the height is not even. This one is bigger, but they should be, the height and width should be even. So what can we do to fix this? You might decide to from here pull it, but if you have a lot of rows, what are you gonna do? You're gonna be doing it manually. It doesn't work that way. So to effect on every row, what you can do is to click here again to highlight, then go for alignment. So we are still on layout. Then from alignment, you can go for distribute rows. Let's see what will happen when we do that. You can see they are now even. They are of equal size. Sometimes you might have something like this. This shouldn't be at the top. This is align. Let me show you what it is. I think this is align top left. So we can center this. Instead of being at the top, we can center it somewhere like this, like we have here. So what we can do is to click again, then under alignment we can go for align center left. Have a look. It looks better this way. Look better this way. So if, for example, you have the text, let me go for align center right. Sometimes you might have something like this. Something like this. So to resolve this, go click to select and then under layout, go for alignment and then go for this one, align center left. What is this? This is align center. So sometimes you would like your table to look like this. sometimes you would like your table to look like this. So what you can do, let's say you have it this way. Selected one, all of them. Let's say you have it this way. If you want to center it, just under alignment, go for align center. It looks better, as you can see. Okay, the last thing I will show you here is how I generated this text. Video provides a powerful way. Look at what I did. So here we're gonna write an equation equals rand. In brackets, we're gonna have two numbers. The first number will be the number of paragraphs we would like to generate, while the second number will be the number of sentences we would like to generate. So let's go for 2 for the number of paragraphs, then comma, then let's go for 2 again for the number of sentences. We close the bracket and hit enter, and here we have 2 sentences and 2 paragraphs and 4 sentences. As you can see, video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. That is the first sentence from the first paragraph. Then when you click online video, you can paste in the embedded code for the video you want to add. That is another sentence from the first paragraph. So when you have a look, you can see the remaining paragraphs. So if you want to generate a table, you can highlight the text and go for insert and convert text to table. You can choose number of columns, 2 or 3. So let's go for that. You can see how we generated a table from that text. We can do more thing here. Let's say Ctrl Z will take us back to the text. Then we go to insert again, highlight and go to insert. Then from the table, you can go for insert table. Let's see what happens. You can see automatically we generated a table. So that is it. I think we can do more in here. Go for insert and do, let's see what we can do here again. Draw table. Nah, drawing a table, I don't want to draw a table, but you can, use that to draw a table if you want. So I think that is it. That is it. If at the end you were able to, fix your issues, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel to support me, see that notification bell, click on it and click on all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified to come check it out. Thank you for watching and God bless. Thank you for watching and God bless. Thank you, and see you in my next video.